Oh, Chloe. Ready? No, back up. Back up. Ready? Ready? Bang! Ah.
Jason, knock it off.
I'm just playing with the dog.
Well, you keep calling me.
I don't even have my phone.
Here you are again. Hello?
Hey girl. What you wearing?
Go get your phone.
At least it wasn't my butt calling you. Hey girl, I want you to put things inside me. Like your hands. Maybe some keys. No, I said keys, not cheese. Maybe cheese. String cheese. But don't leave it in too long, cause it'll get all warm, sticky. Maybe put it on some goldfish crackers.